Thank you to our Malaysian customer for trusting Eager LED and purchasing 8 EA1920 IP5 P1.86 indoor poster screens. EA1920 IP5 have completed burn-in and are now ready for shipment. EA1920 IP5 series is a lightweight, portable, double-sided, foldable LED poster screen. Multiple screens can be seamlessly connected to create a unified display, adapting flexibly to various commercial spaces. This large order for LED displays fully demonstrates their confidence in our technology and performance. This partnership is not only a valuable opportunity, but also a testament to our team's hard work. We look forward to future collaborations that will bring even more innovation and success to your projects. Thank you again for your trust and support.